Okay, so welcome to my workshop. This is where I keep all my little gems, spanners over there and some drills over there. And this is my tins, and just to the right over here is what I call the wall of tin. As you can see, it's where I have all my petrol cans. So I have them all stacked up in a nice sort of display. Well, I think that. And this is sort of my favourites table, where I keep all my favourite stuff, which includes an old ruler, or just general stuff, a wartime spanner. But today we'll be talking about tins, which is over here. So which tin should I do first? Oh, the John Bull tin. So this is a bike repair kit, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so it's definitely for bikes, judging by the size. And it's probably 20s, 30s John Bull repair outfit. And I quite like these because they've sort of got the embossed character on there. I think I bought this at a fair or something for £2 or something. And I don't think there's anything inside it. No, but there's some nice writing on here, which is something, but there's nothing inside it. But you can't blame it for its age, can you? This is another one of my bike repair kits. This one's Romak punctual repairs, and it's got a small picture of a bike, and it's got the Cure Secure contents in it. So it's basically, I've got some Cure Secure ones here. I haven't got the bike one quite yet. I ordered one off eBay, but it's not come yet. Basically, it's pretty much the same thing, just with a different cover for the tin, and the Cure Secure one is actually a bit nicer, so that's why I've recently purchased one. But this one, I think, has all the contents. Yes, so you see it's got some of the contents in it. Looks like it's been well used, judging by how empty that is. So now this is, I think, yes, the last of my bike repair outfits. This one's a Britfix one. I bought this at the same event that I bought the John Bull one, actually some fair or something.
Yeah, I think it was in Ludlow, wasn't it, in the market?
Yes, that was it. And this one, I don't think, yeah, it doesn't have anything, but again, it's got some nice writing on here, which is quite nice, if you can see that. And I really like this pattern here, and I like sort of contrasting colours on tins, so like retro colours, but when it's actually old and a bit weathered. So I'll see. This is another one that I like. That's one of my tins gone on the floor. I'll do that one next. This is a chemical grinding paste tin, which I recently bought off eBay because I was searching for tins, and I saw one of these and I fell in love with the colours on them, and I just thought that they're so nice colours, and it's probably 40s, 50s, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so it's got fine, it's grinding paste for like valves and cylinders, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got fine this end and coarse on that end, which I think is quite unique how it opens on two sides, which is quite clever, and it's obviously got quite a lot in it, if not all of it, from original. But I'm not going to risk opening it because you can see it's sort of gone a bit gooey over here where it might have spilt or got in the heat. Now just get this one off the floor. Oh, so this is a old Vaseline tin, so it's slightly different to all of my motoring related tins over there, but I just thought it was quite a nice shape, an unusual shape for tins, and it was just quite nice, so I thought, yeah, I'll have that. Now is my Lockheed tin. So Lockheed did lots of brake parts. I've also got a little box that I don't think they would have gone together originally, but they just look quite nice together, I think. So what sort of age is this?
Probably 50s again.
And the box. So I quite like this because also on the side you've got a nice sort of clever Lockheed logo with that in sort of the road sign sort of shape, and it's exactly the same on that side as there. I haven't tried opening this one yet because it's sort of quite seized at the top of it. It's a bit mucky. I cleaned it up the best I could. I got this one quite a while ago and I can't quite remember where it came from.
I think it may have been from me.
Oh yeah, of course it was. So now I've got a cleaning and polishing wax tin, by Johnson's, which was a similar size to the Lockheed tin and similar colours. So that's why I have them next to each other on my sort of cabinet here with all my other gems. This one's got quite a bit of stuff in it, judging by the weight. It's got some nice writing on the back. I always like sort of period looking colours, which it looks quite good there. The easiest polish to use. So this is quite, this is one of the oldest ones. It's a bit ratty. It's a bit scruffy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Scratty, I mean. Oh, that's one of my tins. One of my petrol cans or oil cans down there, making a strange noise. So this is probably 20s, 30s. You can only just see all the writing. It's gone a bit at the corners, but I just liked it for its age, and it's, yeah, very scratched. But I just liked it because how old it is, and it's pre-war, which makes it a lot more desirable in my opinion. So now another wax polish tin, which came from my dad's collection, which a lot of the stuff, well, a bit of the stuff here has come from. I like this one because it's sort of weathered well. It's gone a bit rusty, but it's sort of not so rusty like the toffee one that you can hardly read it. And I just like the colouring, the contrast of the colours. I think look quite nice on this one, so that's why I asked for it, and I eventually got it. This is a Mathco tin. It's got a bit of the remnants of a sticker, but Motor Mathco products. I like this because it's a sort of similar colour to these, so they display quite well together as the Lockheed and the wax tin. It's okay. It's got a nice sort of sticker on the side. It just says Mathco brake pipe nuts, which is quite nice. It's obviously original, been there for quite some time. I just thought it was just quite nice. And now it's a plus gas. What sort of thing would this be for?
That was for lubricating things,
Oh, okay, that's cool.
stopping things rusting.
Oh well, they obviously didn't put it on this, did they? Because this has gone a bit, and it's also got a big dent in it. Don't know how that got there. It's okay on this side. Got some nice writing. I haven't tried opening this because it's a bit seized. I did my best to clean it though. Yeah, of course, the big dent. The best protective coating for all metal surfaces. And I think the red and the red on black combination of colours here looks quite good. I think I just like the period colours, and I like this logo here. So now we move on to my Cure Secure tins. So these are both of my Cure Secure tins, and they both say Romak, so you can see the relations between Cure Secure and Romak, as this one has Cure Secure in it as well, but also has Romak. I think, yes, there's the stuff. This actually still has its contents in it, which is quite nice. Nice container for bits of nice writing on the back, which is quite nice. I haven't actually looked through this one too much. I just really like the covers on these tins, I think, and also the motorbike one is quite a good one too. It's quite dented actually, but I just love the sort of artwork on these, and the colours I think is just so. Oh, it's got a big dent on the back. I hadn't noticed that before. I don't think it's got anything inside it, this one. Oh, it obviously does, doesn't it? It's actually hanging off one of the hinges, so it's got some stuff, got some patches, and it's got one of these tubes again, where they've obviously been used, because there's only a tiny bit left there. It's quite nice because it will be original. And this is the last of my tins. I've got a lot of little sort of cardboardy boxes there, as you can see, but those will be for probably another video. This is a drill bit tin, as you can see by the shape. It's obviously a very small one, and this one actually opens up and you can see inside. There's not actually any in there, but you can see the sort of shape, and you can see, so there would have been 10 in here, and it's for drill bits, the bits that you insert onto the end of the drills. And so that is presently all of my tins, but soon there will be more, so maybe they'll feature, maybe they won't. So yes, that's my tin collection.